Hey guys, it's Holly here from John Deere in New Hamburg, and today I want to show you this amazing piece we just got into our pre-owned inventory. It is a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe with the Performance Enthusiast package, so let's take a look. This Camaro has a 2.0-liter turbo engine with 8-speed automatic transmission, 20-inch 5-spoke low-gloss black aluminum wheels, and a suspension lowering kit. You'll see that this Camaro has the Performance Enthusiast package, and with that you're going to get performance wheel center caps, an embroidered center console, as well as premium carpeted floor mats with the Performance logo. As far as comfort and convenience goes, this Camaro has just what you need. You've got remote vehicle start, rear vision camera, 7-inch color touch screen with Sirius XM satellite radio, as well as a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar, and your leather wrapped steering wheel with all of the controls right there at your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to come in and see this Camaro for yourself, please give me a call here at 519-662-1200 and let me book you in with one of our amazing sales and leasing consultants. We can get you in your new Camaro and on the road today.